Today I'm gonna make the fried tofu, and on the top I'm gonna put on the sauce. First time water push there. Onion slice chop. Green pepper. Red pepper. Scallion slice. And I'm gonna make the sauce. 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hot pepper, garlic 1 spoon, ginger little, sesame seed, and oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, sesame oil 1 tablespoon, and mix it up. Sugar 1 spoon. Teaspoon canola oil. Little salt, black pepper. Yellow color turn around. I'm gonna put the seasoning. I'm gonna put the top a little more sesame oil. Then I am done. I'm finished. Tastes good. Bye.